bakuna. Ang corollary mga ano to is yung maskara, pati yung not the yung official, then the mask, ang ating gustong tanggalin, lalo na sa karamihan, is that define the wearing of the mask cumbersome. So maybe it limits the range of sight of people working where the eyes is plays an important ingredient in their work. So maraming nagrereklamo. Ang decision ko is okay, tanggalin na ninyo yung mask, yung shield. Pwede na ninyong you dispense with the shield but not the mask. Yung mask will forever remain and it will be a part of our day-to-day part of what? The safety measure. Kasi matagal pa itong virus na nasa hangin lang. So ang nandito ngayon, unahin ko na yung mga tao, yung mag-report, Secretary Rolando Silito Bautista, DSWD. Nandito rin si Secretary Francisco Duque III. Then we have Secretary Carlito Galvez and Secretary Eduardo Anyo. Yung sa via video teleconference, si Dr. Rolando Enrique, FDA updates, si Secretary Carlo Nograles. By the way, Carlo, si Roque, Secretary Roque, nag-file ng certificate niya kanina ata. He will be running for senator. Alam mo, once you file your certificate of candidacy, automatic yan, out ka sa gobyerno. No other formal ritual is needed except that when you file, tapos ka at that moment, you cease to be a government employee. So, kung maaari, ikaw na lang sana ang acting na muna until we find a replacement. I do not want to burden you with so much, alam ko yung paperwork dadaan sa iyo. Nandito rin ang attendee si of course si ES and si Senator Bongo, chairperson. Kailangan ko si Bong actually. Hindi sa lahat. Because Bong is the chairperson sa Senate Committee on Health and Demography. Health kanya eh. So mabuti lang siya nandito. But he does not control anybody. He does not control me. He is here to do his duty. Na may matanungan tayo kaagad. So yan. At ako, may binigyan ako trabaho. I cannot, I am not articulate sa Tagalog. Hindi rin maintindihan ang lahat kung magbisaya ako. So basahin ko na lang ang report. I could mag-glance ako. I can talk extemporaneous dito, pero ang problema nga, hampered ako sa facility ng communication. Especially Tagalog. Marunong ako, pero konti lang. Conversational. So, I start by saying, good evening to all. And parang nakita ko na maganda ang dadating ng mga araw. Sana maawa ang Diyos, patuloy-tuloy ito. At mabuksan natin ang ekonomiya and all the businesses will be opened so that people can really work again and improve the economic picture of the country. Last Tuesday, November 10, I inaugurated the new PSG Station Hospital. It houses modern medical facilities and equipment, including multi-place hyperbaric oxygen treatment that can treat multiple patients at the same time. Para maintindihan lang ninyo itong hyperbaric, to my understanding, this is a high-pressure chamber. Para ito yung mga divers na nagkakaroon ng yung mabilis yung akyat nila. Hindi there's one word for it. Bends, yeah. Sabi ba niya, kasi alam ng mga fisherman yan, na kung sa loob ka, hindi ka mag-akyat na, kung malalim na, mauna talaga yung magsunod ka sa bubbles mo, hindi mo ubertikan kasi dahan-dahan kasi pag biglain mo, pag abot sa taas, para kang you can die. Itong hyperbaric also is, yun ang isang purpose noon. Ang hyperbaric also, ito yung mga may sugat na healing. Mas madali ang healing ng mga sugat, lalo na sa sundalo, kung nasa hyperbaric chamber. Kasi yung iba, matagal makuha kung may barilan, may encounter, tapos madalas sa ospital, kukunin, hindi ka agad makuha, lalo na kung ang barilan would last, the fighting in the field would last for about mga 1 or 2. Tapos ang sugat ng mga sundalo, hindi ka agad kasi i-extract pa sila. I-extract sila tapos dalhin sa ospital. Hyperbaric operates high pressure. Kasi kung mag-gangrene na, karamihan putulin na pag may gangrene. Ito, pag mayroon kanyan, ipasok mo doon, makatulong na mabilis makarecover, and it can arrest the progress of the gangrene. Am I right, Dr. Domingo? Sir, tama ba ako?
Yes, sir.
Baka
Yes,
salita
sir.
sa likod dito.
Opo, meron pong mga studies showing na yun pong wound healing, lalo na po yung mga bukas na sugat, since they're exposed to a higher levels of oxygen, mas mabilis pong gumagaling dun sa hyperbaric. So it's usually used po for mga traumatic injuries, katulad nga po ng mga sa sundalo natin.
Yan. Yan ang there's also an hyperbaric somewhere outside dito sa But tignan ninyo ang ayaw ko na may mainggit. Pero ang itong station hospital ng Presidential Security Group, tingnan ninyo, may clip. Run the clip.
What began in the 1970s as the Presidential Guard's Medical Dispensary has evolved over 5 decades to become the newly constructed PSG Station Hospital. Completed in 2021, the hospital is a 9,000 square meter, 1 billion peso facility that aims to provide medical security to the Presidential Security Group and their dependents. The Presidential Security Group is a prime